Hi everyone, 12 plus 8 equals 20, times 2, that equals 40, divided by 5, that equals 8. So the answer is 8. Wrong, the answer is not 8. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem. PEMDAS is saying 8 times 2 goes first, that's 16, good job. Next, I drop the 12 plus divided by 5. And PEMDAS is saying division goes first. I use long division, so the dividend, that's the 16, goes inside, the 5 goes outside, that's the divisor. You can fit 5 into 16 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. And then you subtract 16 minus 15, that's 1. So I write the mixed number answer, and the whole number is 3. The remainder, 1 goes above the fraction bar, and then the 5 goes below the fraction bar. So now I have my mixed number. Next, I drop the 12 plus, and there are different ways to solve this. And don't start with 12 plus 8 because you'll get the wrong answer. And addition isn't the lowest level in PEMDAS, the AS, addition and subtraction. That's the lowest level. And the highest level is parentheses. I do not see any parentheses. I don't see any exponents. I do see multiplication and division, and both of those operations are both within its own level, and you solve the math problem from left to right within each level. So even though, yes, you start from left, addition is at a low level, the lowest level. You have multiplication, good, but then you have division. Don't start with division, because the answer will be wrong. Even if these were swapped, like division here and multiplication here, you are solving it from left to right. So it would have been 8 divided by 2 goes first, not 2 times 5. But in this case, we have 8 times 2 divided by 5. So 8 times 2 goes first, not 2 divided by 5. So now let's figure out the answer here. So 12 plus 3, you just add those two. So 12 plus 3 is 15, and then you keep the 1 over 5. And if you want to get a mixed number, well, this is a mixed number answer. If you want to get an improper fraction answer, all you have to do is multiply 5 times 15, or 15 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 75. So you multiply the bottom part, and then you add what you have in the numerator, which is 1. So 75 plus 1 is 76. And then you keep the denominator, so it's over 5. And this is your improper fraction answer, 76 over 5. Now let's figure out the decimal answer. So I will continue the long division. So you can't fit 5 into 1, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0, so I add a decimal after the 16 and the 3, drop the 0, give it to the 1, now the 1 becomes 10. You can fit 5 into 10 twice. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So your decimal answer is 12 plus 3.2, which is 15.2. Easy peasy. Now, let me show you the other way, which is using the butterfly method. Some people don't like using the butterfly method, and some do. And all you have to do is turn this 12 into a fraction, so 12 over 1, plus turn this 16 divided by 5, so 16 over 5, turn that into a fraction, and you draw the wings, the antennas, and the body. So you multiply what's inside the wings, so here are the wings, and you write the results above the antennas. So 12, and don't forget the body, because the body gives you the denominator. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, we multiply 12 times 5 is 60. 1 times 16 is 16. Next, you add those two, and that gives you 76. And that cannot be broken down further. So 76 over 5 is the first answer. 15, 1 over 5 is the second answer. And the last one is 15.2 as the final answer. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much. And I appreciate you watching the full video. And I will see you in the next video. And trying to figure out this question. A water tank is 2/15 full. Adding 12 gallons makes it 7/10 full. So what is the total capacity of the tank? Put your answers in the comment section down below. And if you got the right answer, hit that like button. Also, leave your right answers or your answers in the comment section down below to this tricky math problem, and also the answers to this tricky question that I have written on this line paper. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.